Bomb for inside Boya for Southwest Region country people them. We dey hear say the one happen now for around 12 midnight Sunday breaking Monday. Now for some trade fair for that side, so for class quarters with the bomb mihala. We go talk that matter with the small image we'll get this afternoon. Torito, we go for inside police people them office. People them for number 10 district police station. Them say they be done the make some investigate concerning some people that way they cash woman them. They go sleep with them as well they go here when the people there they cash them. Last they talk with where they be the do them. On top this woman they will go show another matter too. The people there they be broke enter for big man for general hospital for Yawende house for a village. Gendarme to don't put hand on top that people them inside the weekend where it pass. They be struggle for make the people them for top for them. Waiting will be really pass for that their action. Tori too, he go take we enter for this scam goods we achieve them for inside Kumba. The Giam for Mfon Ekoko Mukete the foot where he says it be the new paramount chief for that side so for K-Town. But for people them, Sabi say never stay with Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute, Eputi and Boya Kumba like first class chief dom them. We go take una too. We enter for matter for African Nations Cup. We sabi say Mola ide for inside Douala just now so the talk. And chapter 2 for Fecafoot after when the finish voted like president for Fecafoot. Samuel Etofis he already start on turn for look some of the work the way they so. He left where they never do and we go tell una so the election it be passed on Saturday and Nations Cup where they come. Make we no forget country them like Nigeria they don't change their coach. Garnot Raw they don't move it for game. Now Austin Owen Eguavon now he go take Super Eagles for camp for inside Cameroon. And make we don't forget too Egypt. They talk say they don't lost the cup where they be win am some half time 3 times. We go talk other one for we part for African Nations Cup inside Tori for this afternoon and newspaper them too we get that one the ever be. Big people them talk this afternoon the tell we say person where in the waka with big man make it sabi one if he surely work plenty and if he chop plenty. If you the worker with a big person sabi say you fit chop plenty just as way you fit work plenty. Big people them talk it come out from John Weber. We come before Facebook in the look from Bamenda. We return back to more time country. Country people them, we glad for meet up una again for inside that Tori house na Monday. Nayo, loko, small. With the waka, with the rich Christmas. Tori for this afternoon, we go start now for Boya. Country people them, another bomb with people that way they get caught. Now for some trade fair ground for that side, so for class quarters country people them, where they so the bomb he enter for day. Now around 12 midnight, it means say we've done the day break on Monday where they throw the bomb and according to people them where they talk for we, they say the bomb, some person he be turn up for side for just for corner the place where the trade fair they happen. Now for the way the person throw the bomb and plenty people them as all the year they get caught for this latest bomb we don't throw away for side so for Boya and plenty of the people there they get caught for now we never fit for confirm. If person he die, plenty of them they don't take them go for Boya regional hospital as well tell una now just for corner the place where the trade fair they happen for class quarters. Now for day where them throw a bomb with they never fit for discover to or sabi person where it is so it throw the bomb for that side. We go surely turn back fully on top this matter for Boya for inside with Tori for morning time and Usabi. The bomb it come after other one the way they don't throw away. So for inside town where they call them say a Boya. We go surely the turn back in the proper on top that one too when we meet up. We go come up for that side just now. We enter for this other matter where concern police people them and some people them with their own work. Now for the thief motor with woman them for inside, they carry them go for inside bush. As so una see now inside what matter for 2-way pass, where we don't pass and where police people them they get complaint for their hand. Now inside this bush where the mami so una the siam. The thief people then thief you with the motor. Now national road number 3, it means say this roadway you they come up for here go for Yawende. Now for the way they thief this mommy in a motor, then they take it go for bush. Apart from say they take thing them from mommy, now so the boy them too, they fall on top the mommy chop is so the time no day. Sabi say now the mommy says way he go report the case for police people them. Now, so police people them start to do investigate on top the matter. But as well they did make investigate on top the matter, other woman them they did also come with the same complaint where they did talk say some people them they did thief them go hide them. Then after they sleep with them, as well Tori Mitowi, the commissioner for number 10 district police station, now he says be there on top they investigate and he don't talk say they investigate they continue and them says they go look on top the matter. Now more than 10 women them where they don't can left complaint for that side. Now the zone this as well as the CM now for the place as well the woman they talk now the place that way they so when they be tiffy they come for day then they do till they get for do on top that matter and sabi the woman be fit for left in mind now so he be cry after when they catch the boy and he be know them make we hear small way to be the talk. Now the woman that way the talk say that one wicked. Now we know sabi why the woman be the talk, but maybe sabi say they catchy and they buy fussy before they do to they get for do now. Make we show another place where the men them they don't do thing them and plenty of the people that they don't fall for their hand. Now woman them. Now if una look the place, una go see all kind of rapper them dirty. When a thing the way the men them they do we make am wey the place e dey so una fit see rapper dem una fit see clothes una fit even see toilet roll wey dem don use am all then even medicine today we see some tablet dem wey dem don keep out there so na the plenty toilet roll that wey dem don use am for there na for tell we say na woman dem wey dey be their own target no na even man pikin then they get medicine the two they dey drink am no sabi whether na medicine for belle wey maybe after they dey give am for the woman say make they drink am but we come for here we see meet up some kind of thing dem wey dey show say no be na the first time wey they dey do that kind of thing but they dey talk say 99 day for person wey get it in 1 day for the owner and na so two thing happen wey dey catch this men dem wey they don do woman dem for on top this national road number 3 and e dey like say they dey follow up for see say na only woman e dey for inside the motor. Now so for chapter 40 country people dem we go take una go for place wey they call am say Yawende for that side na gendarme people dem this time wey dey show for population some men dem wey dey suspect say na dem be broke enter inside house for big man for general hospital for a village wey dey hear say with that gun dem na wey dey enter for the house dey thief plenty money una dey see dem 5 wey gendarme people dem catch dem and yes they never even reach over that kind of age. They never reach on some level. But that's all they talk just now. Now, after investigate, we big man says for gendarme in Mekam. Now, we all the men them, they enter for inside hand for these gendarme people them. And their own case, as well, then say they use them up talk. They say they will find money and now with that for seek other money where they will go for go thief. And now they got where he did the two where he help them small for seek say they will put the guard on top, you shake a shoot. Now why that way the guard says he talk say he no go fit for she done where they go kill it. So now after where they put guard for some kind of work condition shake a shoot. Now that time when they enter, they say they broke enter for this big man for general hospital house for village. Then they thief plenty in them money and even the motor they all wanna see am now so them where they do their operation then they thief am. But that's all they talk just now. They so they with the hand for gendarme people them investigate as well gendarme them too. They don't talk. These kind of people them they know one time say me they day outside as well Nations Cup. They come stranger them they enter Cameroon plenty. Different chapter, different thing inside a Fulan lack. Now for Yawende, at least 8 motor them. They don't chakara. Accident way happen for day. As soon as I said the Siam, the one drum bam. He go jam now for before Ngongoro. The one he own, they move it for some small parts. Then other private motor them, as soon as the Siam, small, una go see say plenty of the motor they get complain on top their skin. Una go the ask and say, but now which kind of motor where he create sote, he move corner them for motor them, or he force one them for go jam different one. Where the year say na some uniform people their motor. Where he be the worker for this Efulan lack place. Now where he provoke this accident. Now if we look for the door, it show we say some person the way he come out with cut for his skin. Now the uniform people their motor that for back directly the motor we jam this motor we na the see am so we na taxi and e jam different other motor them. So total the number for motor where the uniform motor jam am na 8 as we tori enter for we here. Some the day with the chakara so they no saw whether they go fix am like this taxi we fit see maybe people they say they come up for they go don't surely get serious cut for their skin and the motor say one at the see am na that we cause this accident for a full and lap. We never yet fit for confirm if na brakes for motor wey craze or na just that overspeed wey motor dey run na we cause am before e jam this motor dem. So total 8 motor dem wey e jam am for a full and lack inside Yawende. And for side for National Tori House, so for Yawende, na some accidents wey be happen for there. Taxi versus private motor. We hear say people there they come out them inside these two motor or them they get caught as we Tori imito we beg no person die and we never feel for confirm if maybe with as we time to go some person die for the bed for the time when the accident happen all people there they come out for there now only people there they get caught and now for dumb up for National Tori House for Yawende we this one it happen for night as we Tori imito we go enter just now for this fire way it happened for Bamenda this early morning time country people them for that side. So for Bamenda now army rescue people them way big man senior warrant officer Taku Paul he says about the men them they call them before they run go for this market around side for treasury where Aswetori enter for we here for inside Bamenda way fire a cash for the Aswetori mitowi for this side the cause for this fire for that side. So for Bamenda this morning time they blame na some man where he took a charger for a wall where be the charge telephone as when he go back for house he dey like say comot the telephone then he forget the charger for wall as light he go for before go calm na so the charger bam e chakara then fire e start for throway. So as we talk just now the been place and other one dey for burn plenty if no be na for sika say senior warrant officer Taku Paul and he meant them for army rescue unit. They will land for the quick maybe or for the tongue na say na the whole market for that side. So for treasury for inside Bamenda where if I don't burn be lucky say army rescue they be the quick. So now one of the store where the fire starts now the store where fire burn thing them for inside fine but the other store them army rescue be fit for stop the fire for say making no cross for different store them. Now thing that will happen this early morning time inside Bamenda as we at Tori enter for inside we here. Now we take una go for chat. We be talk for now for morning time say we guess or we mommy them. We papa them, sister and brother, where they don't run go for that side. So for chat, for sika problem where they happen for their own side. Ambassador for Cameroon, inside chat, he don't go meet up that refugee them. Now them this, where they come up for Logan Benny, for sika this fight between Arab Shua, Musgum and Massa. So, it be been Ngando for them, as we ambassador for inside chat for Cameroon, ambassador for Cameroon for chat, he go salute the people and then he counts more support for help this refugee them we all them they run enter for chat just for sika wait we in the past for their own village them as we at Tori enter for inside we here. And for we strong number we talk for now say a chief we get the paramount chief for the 4 people them from Ekoko Mukete the fourth he don't enter back for a town. And the first time this since we Chief Dr. Joseph John Gute he signed book say he been a first class chiefdom Kumba first class chiefdom Boya first class chiefdom from Ekoko Mukete the fourth in Obide town and he enter town na true side where they call am say 3 corners inside Akumba 3 subdivision. One Tawe land, his own brother, Prince Ekale Mukete, na SSM Ebidede, for talk for ye, say come good, country people them, na SSF the prince, he did for talk for ye, say come good and other chiefs them for Meme, where they glad with that big position, yes, that big position, where they give for them, so we get the chiefs them for Meme division, we all then they come out for talk talk come good for a Koko Mukete the fourth, sorry, no na a Caleb, but in name na Ndoki Mukete, yes, Priest Ndoki Mukete, now the name that for the brother we he talk for his own brother, congratulate for that big win where he go get them. So now inside for three corner side there, we the big paramount chief for inside Kumba, the paramount chief for the Bafo, he welcome the own people them, they welcome me. So tell you now, chief, he been at the paramount chief for Bafo people them, and Prince Ndoki Mukete be there for a corner for talk for his to take come good, and he too he give on small blessings. So just now for Southwest we get Boya and Kumba, we they don't put their own level for up to first class chiefs on them, as we don't talk for now. Country people them just now make we see the latest update for chapter for corona where they for inside the whole world. As so sabi we know the ever forget this matter. Number 13 day for December, according to Worldometer, 270,457,198 people that don't catch corona since we enter for inside the whole world. 243,205,764 people that don't well come up from sick beds, and 5,322,963 people them where they already die for sick of this corona. And sabi say corona, another one where they call them say Omicron, it don't come out where it the worry place. So now for you for continue for respect other way in Gomna Igiam concerning this matter for a corona inside we own country. We enter from Damba just now and we go take una talk Samuel Etofis. He no even she don't say for on top chair, or he no even enter for office F small for say make she don't check sense. He already start for doing work like the new president for Fecafoot country people them this morning time after Samuel Etofis he don't enter for work for see the team where they do am. Now for Fecafoot technical center that for Oza we work if he don't start since under Seidu Mbombonjoya where Samuel Etofis help he don't already go there for try for go follow up for see as where the work it happen for inside the place for side where they build this Fecafoot technical center for side for Oza. Samuel Eto he come with all four president them, yes, the different president them, the four way they be vote all them one time, and after we finish look the place he come out for try for salute some of the people them, some of the population where they outside for can't talk for he come good as way if he pass for the crowd even small picking they come out they say president Eto now so to Samuel Etofis he waka nayo he go to for go see the field sabi say some field today ama Matilda if he continue for work on top this image before we enter for different chapter is some field to be just the way he go for go look and he go for go see as we they fix that field on top the matter. So we go surely enter for on top enter for that side where we'll come back tomorrow. And also tell you now if he go for office he go meet up all the work people them for that side. So for office for Fecafoot for Tinga he don't talk for the work people them for inside the office say now all them they get for work for get better results. May they no expecting that one person he go work. So all them as we don't tell them they must work so that they go get better results. Now the first talk that way Samuel Etofis he go talk for the people them for Fecafoot office this morning time. Make we take una we rewind hand time small. We talk on top this vote where it happened for Saturday for that side. So for inside that Singa country people them sabi say na for Saturday we election for get new president for Fecafoot. It happened for side so for Singa and also sabi Samuel Etofis be carry at least for the 3 votes them in Seydou Mbombonjoya where he be don't be a president for 31 votes. So Samuel Etofis just now he be the number 16 president for Lookout Fecafoot, and after the vote all money they expect say Samuel Etofis he get for do better work and football for country he change. Time when they be read the result make we see as we 8-2 he be glad for the result. And Eto, go the work he one time. He be give the names them for a vice president them. We get Samuel Eto will be president, the first vice. Now Celine Komendomo, second vice. Bubakari Bello, and third vice Arthur Jampi, and the fourth vice president Henry Njalakwan Jr. One thing where people then see and where they be like and so on top this vote. Now say Sami, it don't be a person it be humble as well they put up for grammar. It be divide chop for people then for inside the General Assembly meeting. Yes, Samuel Eto will be where trustees will no be cover a waste all. It be the make your, yes. Now your president for we inside Cameroon now. Just for Sabi say Sami no go work E1 or with the four vice president them. Make we try for see some of the face the way they go help Samuel Eto fees. We get we get Muhammadu Abu, we get Soleil Roger, Yoki Onana, Gubai Gatamam, Abdoulaye Abdul Razak, Stefan Foku, Daniel Munge, Joseph Fustu, Norbert Kweju, we get Safia Kwemo, Nku Mvondo, we get even Gilbert Yankam, Felix Mbiga, some of the people there is Samuel Eto fees, he go the work with them. All them, they make up the executive committee for Inside Africa Foods. As we don't see the faces and so now the different people then that way Samuel Eto, he go work with them for the time we he go be on top chair as we at Tori enter for Inside we here. And after that vote will be happen on Saturday. Samuel, Georgette, they be there for church. We be take some photo for them where they be there church, where they be go prayer and for say thank God. He don't win the vote, that one don't pass. But now for God forgive that power, say make it do better work with his own time for Feka Food. They no go the talk say, he be do, he no be. So all that one and so, they go time Papa God, and they talk say, may God he help them. Country people them, we go enter just now for this chapter for Nations Cup, and inside the chapter for Nations Cup, country people them, make we see her. Yes, Nations Cup day for Corner and Mola today for Inside Douala just now. And so tell for now, Egypt, he said they don't lost the original cup where they began for them after where they win Nations Cup 3 times. For one time, make we show now the cup where Egypt the talk say don't lost and just now cup where they give for them. Sabi say normal when you don't win the cup 3 times, you keep the cup when you win them. But Egypt you don't talk say you don't lost their own cup where they begin for them. We fit get photo for that cup as we with the talk. Yes, now the cup that way Egypt be win them and he win the cup 3 times. Normal, he get the cup where he go keep am, but they talk now for CAF say they don't lost that cup. So we no sabi whether CAF go give them another one or they no go give am. For Nigeria, now we neighbor them for side for Kombi. Nigeria don't talk say their head coach, Gernot Rohr. Now he qualify Super Eagles for Cameroon, but Gernot Rohr no go be the coach. for inside this matter. With the say as soon as Sabi, Ghana Robbie chop chair like coach for Super Eagles since for around 2016, and the best thing we don't get for these people them Nigeria now say don't get bronze medal. It be take number 3 for the 2019 African Nations Cup. Apart from that one, no other better result again. So Ghana Raw they don't move it for game just some few weeks before African Nations Cup we get for start for Cameroon. Man where they don't replace it with in name now Austin Owen Eguavon, na he go sit down now on top the chair like the coach for Nigeria Super Eagles. Now he go come with them for year. No be not the first time where Eguavon, he go sit down on top that chair like coach for Nigeria. If he don't first sit down on top and if he win third place too, time will be big coach for Cameroon, Nigeria, and if he don't work too under other coach them. So Nigeria no go come with the coach, we qualify them for Nations Cup. Now make we talk handball too small. We woman handball team for outside where they did for competition for handball for Spain. They be play against Uzbekistan. It be been yesterday Sunday. Now the number 5 come in for woman handball team for this competition where they play for that side. So for Spain, they be don't come out them for the main cup, but they did not for President Cup for people that they lost all their match. So with Cameroon team in that Uzbekistan 42-23 for their first win for this competition. They go play against Iran as we to re-enter for we here today or tomorrow. So for inside that competition. Just now make we enter for the newspaper. They will get this afternoon. Country people them inside the Horizon newspaper. When at the first newspaper we go look for inside. It talk for we say change inside Fecafoot after Samuel Etofi's chop chair. You go read that chapter. For Ekoko Mukete the fourth, he enter Kumba. Better welcome when they give am for ye. And you go read Tori to a consign grant and go we don't talk for governor them. Say make they prepare their country people them. Make they get good fashion. Time when African Nations Cup starts and to the end. Inside the guidance post, Ntarikun Cooperative Credit Union again on top the world after we they win some award for sign for the voice. You go read Tori to a consign other matter them inside the country. Prime Minister we don't open the new hospital for inside Eboloa. Tori 2 for inside a way they call them say the post. You go read them. We change. You don't enter for that side. So for Fecafoot, you go read Palava for Conso Antoinette and people them for Fontem with them say they be get their own trade fair. You go read that one for inside. Now the first way they happen after some long time for that side. So for inside a Fontem for their pastoral agricultural show. Municipal updates, it gets it on two way the terry as with Prime Minister. He don't open hospital for site for Bafusam, na new one. And you go read Tori to a minister that he talk saying governor he own na for say make thing them be open for the whole country. Other to read them, you go read them for municipal update this afternoon. We get the voice. We get the voice. Well, we go surely turn back for inside the voice newspaper. We take this announcement the way they for we before country people them. We get one Maso Tapop Senior Arian where he don't lost Oga Tapop. He beg any person we don't see this sister. Auntie and mommy for people them 677-433-663 694-845 not 19 number the way una fit use them for help the family for call them if una don't see this their picky way he lost. Another case for loss we'll get them today country people them na Ngonchi Mateo where it don't lost and Oga Jiongni Jacques Edibek say any person where you don't see this their papa, their grandpa, massa, and even brother, uncle for people them. Make the call the number where they for before tele 654-428-625 number them for call if una don't see Pa Matthew for any side. Another case for lost this afternoon we just enter we hand na Ngum Peter Engo where you two don't lost and as so the talk Oga Nano Pakidon it the announce if una don't see Oga Peter for any side 675-496-40 676-663-314 number them for use and call the family or report for any police place where una fit report or help the family for find these people them. We don't finish story for this afternoon, country people. Then we dey talk happy birthday for you. Moki Charles Linonge, where you get +1 today, and Ndele Makoge, where you two get +1 today. Happy birthday for now. And we can't be there ready looking for that side. So for Heaven's Launch, with the salute on this afternoon. Big thank you for Malis, Mama Tida, Jonathan. We get even Zephyrin Gondi, Ledupone, Francis Boyum Derek, Gabber. We all them the joy hand for Tori for this afternoon. And not forget Jeff, we put camera for my before. If Papa God grey, we go meet up for morning time. Now hold am tight.